Hi, hello, namaste. This is Anand Reddy. Welcome back to our channel ARCR Technology Private Limited. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a hotspot on your MikroTik device and integrating it with the CloudRADIUS server for advanced authentication capabilities. By using Radius authentication, you can enhance the security of your hotspot by validating user credentials against the central authentication server. So let's get started and learn how to create a robust and secure hotspot environment. Before we proceed further, we recommend that you take a moment to check the WAN IP address and DNS configuration of your MikroTik router. This will ensure that you have a baseline understanding of your current settings and allow you to follow along with the upcoming topics more efficiently. To check your WAN IP address, access your MikroTik router interface using Winbox. Navigate to IP menu and select addresses. Look for the interface connected to your internet service provider. Note down the assigned IP address. Next, verify your DNS configuration. In the same IP menu, select DNS. Review the DNS servers listed. Make sure they are correctly configured and functioning as expected. Please refer our YouTube video Mastering WAN IP Address and DNS Configuration in MikroTik. To know more about WAN IP address and DNS configuration, link given in below description. Step 1. Configuring hotspot on MikroTik router. Let's start the hotspot configuration. In this example, we are using 10.11.12.0/24 series for our hotspot configuration. So go to IP addresses. We will add our local IP series, that is 10.11.12.1/24. Select your interface, LAN interface. So in this example, Ether 4 is a LAN. So click apply, OK. Then go to IP, hotspot. Click on hotspot setup. Select your LAN interface. Next. So if it is a local IP, you need to tick masquerade network. Otherwise, you need to remove this one. In this case, we are using local IP for our hotspot. So I am keeping this one. So click on next. Check the IP address pool, whether it is OK or not. If it is not, you need to add another pool or you need to edit this one. So click on next. Here we are not using any certificate, so here we are selecting as a none. Next. In this case, we are not using any SMTP server, so I am keeping default. Then click on next. Check DNS servers. So if it is okay, then no issue. Otherwise, you need to add or modify this DNS servers. Then click on next. If you want to add any DNS name for your hotspot login, like login.thecloudradius.com, like that, so you can write here. Otherwise, leave it as a blank. Click on next. You need to add this name, strongest username here. So in this case, I am entering as a Anand Reddy as a username, my mobile number as a password. Anyway, this we are not going to use this one, so we will remove this. So click on next. So setup completed successfully. Then we need to modify all the settings. So click on address pool, select as a none. We are not going to use idle timeout, so disable this one. We are going to use keep allow timeout as a 2 minutes. So set up here as a 2 minutes. Then apply, OK. So go to server profiles. In this case, we are using HS profile 1 here. So you need to edit HS profile 1. So double click. Go to login tab. In this example, we are going to use Mac login, HTTP PAP. We are not going to use any cookies, so just disable this one. So click on radius, click on use radius. Accounting should be ticked. In this example, I am using 30 minutes as an interim update. So just apply and OK. So this is a local user if you want to test local login. Otherwise you don't require, just remove this one. Go to user profiles, double click and disable idle timeout if anything is there. So just apply and OK. In IP binding you need to allow our IP pool. So in this example 10.11.12.0 is our IP pool. I am allowing here in a regular mode. Just apply and OK. Then you need to block all unwanted IP pools. So 0.0.0/0 and I am keeping in a blocked mode. So just click on apply and OK. So if you are using DHCP server, then OK, otherwise please remove this DHCP server. Step 2. Radius server configuration in MikroTik. So go to Radius, click on plus symbol, select authentication modes. If you are using triple PoE in this server, just tick, otherwise don't use it. If you are using Hotspot, just tick it. So enter your server IP. In this case I am entering 10.10.10.1. This is my Radius server IP. So you need to enter your correct Radius server IP here. Protocol should be UDP. You need to enter your secret which is created in CloudRADIUS. I am going to show in few minutes. So authentication port 1812, accounting port 1813 for CloudRADIUS. Set timeout as a 3000 ms. So click on apply and OK. Click on incoming. Just click on accept. Port should be 3799. Apply and OK. Step 3. Adding MikroTik router in CloudRADIUS. Go to networking, click on NAS, click on create, select the allowed partners here. In this example I am selecting all. So enter NAS name. Here I am entering NAS name as a test. Enter NAS IP address. So in this example 192.168.100.1 is our NAS IP. If you want to write any identity, you can write here for your reference. Enter secret which is entered in your MikroTik. So in this example we entered CloudRADIUS in MikroTik, same we are matching here. So select a NAS type. In this example we are selecting MikroTik. So select your latest version, whether it is below 6.45 or above 6.45. So enter COA port which is same as in MikroTik. So click on Radius, check incoming. Here it is 3799. So same we need to enter in this case also. So this is 3799. Enter interim update as a 30 minutes as shown here. Enable API. Enter API username, password. So here in this case cloud_API. So same you need to create in the MikroTik also. Open MikroTik. Click on system, users, click on plus symbol, enter API username here and group should be right. Copy API password and enter here. Allowed address should be your Radius server IP address. So Radius server is 10.10.10.1 in this case. So I allowed only 10.10.10.1 here. So click on apply. OK. You need to enable API in the services. So here in this case it is enabled, and for security reason enter your Radius IP here also 10.10.10.1. So click on apply. OK. So enable SNMP to generate the graphs or to check live traffic of the users. So enter SNMP community. So you need to enable this SNMP in MikroTik as well. So go to IP, SNMP, enable this one, apply, click on communities. So double click on this. So replace public, we should not use default one as a public. You change here, apply, okay. Then trap version should be 2, apply and okay. So if you want to write any description, you can write here, otherwise leave it as a blank. If you want to send specific IPv6 pools for this NAS, you can enter this IPv6 pool and delegated pool. Otherwise you can disable and submit. So that's it. Here we successfully configured Hotspot with CloudRADIUS. Step 4, adding additional IP address in MikroTik. So click on IP, address, click on next pool here, 10.11.13.1/24. This is our next IP pool. So copy, select LAN interface, apply, okay. Go to IP hotspot. You need to allow this IP pool here. So you need to write network here. So add as a regular and move it to top. Always block should be in the bottom. You need to enable the NATing for this pool. Click on plus. Go to IP firewall NAT. Click on plus symbol. So here enter your new pool with network and go to action. Just do masquerade, apply and okay. So that's it. This is the way you can add additional pool in the MikroTik. We hope you found the valuable information in our channel. If you have any questions, suggestions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to drop a comment or reach us. We value your feedback and strive to deliver content that meets your needs. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel ARCR Technology Private Limited to stay updated with the latest videos and tutorials on networking, technology and more. We have a lot of exciting content coming up that we are eager to share with you. Thank you once again for being part of our community. We look forward to bringing you more informative and engaging videos in the future. Until next time, stay connected and keep exploring the fascinating world of networking with ARCR Technologies Private Limited. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.